Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your call ending problem on your device. As you can see, I'm going to call to my brother, but my call are going to be cut automatically, and it shows call ending problem. So let's start how to fix call ending problem. The very first thing to do, make sure about that your call or anything is going to block. For that, open phone _r and type *31# and call this one. Now select your SIM that are ending problem. You can see my outgoing call service are going to be enabled. We need disable this option. Tap on OK to close it. Again, open phone _r and type #31# and tap on _r. Select your SIM card that are facing problem. You can see, guys, call service has been disabled right here. Now you can call anyone. Hope this problem will be solved. Now call again my brother to see problem solved or not. If you think this video is helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notification icon. Thanks you for watching.